Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to see triangle inequality property from the lesson triangle and its properties. So we know that about the angles of the triangle, that its sum is going to be 180 degree. But today we want to know about its side, what the side saying. So suppose this is a one triangle ABC, and these are going to be its side. This is side A, this is side B, this is side C. So friends, we need to check that if, or you can say if A plus B is going to greater than C, or you can say is A plus C is going to greater than B, or B plus C is going to greater than A. We'll check for these values. If it is going to hold true for the triangle, then you can, according to this property, you can say that the sum of any two sides, you need to take any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So when it is possible, then only you can say that we can able to construct a triangle. This is a main property, and if this property is true, you can say that construction of a triangle is possible, or you can say it is able to construct a triangle with the given lengths. So for example, consider one triangle with its side 2, 3 and 4. This is a side PQ and this is R. PQR is one triangle. So friend, let's understand what is this property state to us. So here it is one triangle PQR, and we need to find out, it could be possibly to represent these as a measure of length of a side of a triangle. Means triangle is possible or not. Can we construct a triangle with this side? So what we do, we'll take sides. First of all, we'll take these two sides, 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? 5. So we'll check, is this 5 is greater than 4? Yes, it is coming greater than the third side. Next we'll take 2 and 4. So 2 plus 4 is what coming, friends? 6. And 6 is greater than coming the third side? Yes. And at last we'll take 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4 is what coming? 7. And 7 is greater than the remaining third side? Yes. In all cases we are coming yes. So you can write therefore triangle PQR is possible. So friends, here you can say that the triangle PQR is possible with the length 2, with the length 3 and with this length 4. So we will be able to construct a triangle with these lengths if A plus B is greater than C, A plus C is greater than B, or B plus C is greater than A. If it is true, if all the above conditions are not true, that means we cannot construct a triangle. So this is called triangle inequality property. So now friends, it is given that a triangle ABC is there. AB length 7 cm, BC length 3 cm and AC length 8 cm. And we need to give the reason that a triangle is possible or not. So let's start. First of all, we'll check AB plus BC. We'll check these two sum of sides should be greater than this third side. So what is AB plus BC? 7 plus 3 will get a 10. And this 10 is greater than this 8. So means yes for the one case. Now we'll go for these two sides. BC plus AC. So what is BC? 3 and this is 8. So we'll get a 11. And 11 is greater than this third side? Yes. Now we'll check first and last, that is AB plus AC. So AB plus AC is what? 7 plus 8. We'll get a 15. And this 15 is greater than the remaining third side. Okay. That means again yes. So in all three cases, sum of any two side, you can write therefore sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. It is coming greater, so you can say therefore triangle is possible with this length. Means you can construct a triangle with this length. You need to check this concept. This is a triangle inequality property. So now friends, we will again check for another example that triangle is possible or not with these possible lengths. So we'll check xy plus yz. Xy plus yz. These are the two sides of this triangle, which is 5 plus 12. We'll get a 17. So we'll check 17 is greater than this third side. Yes, 17 is greater than 7. That means xz. So here it is coming yes. Then we'll go for these two sides, yz plus xz. So we'll get 12 plus 7. We are getting here 19. So 19 is greater than 5. Yes. And now we'll check for the last. xy plus xz. It is 5 plus 7. It is coming 12. And this 12 is equal to 12. That means no. We want a greater than the third side. The sum of any two sides is not coming here greater than. So therefore, triangle XYZ is not possible to construct. Because here it is coming equal. So here in this question, O is any point within this triangle ABC and this side given AB, BC and AC. So these sides given. So we know that triangle inequality property we use here. Here three triangles are forming. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So three triangles are forming here. If you notice this triangle AOB, I can write the sum of these two sides OA plus OB. OA plus OB is going to greater than this third side, which is 4 centimeter. In the same way, now in this triangle OBC, OB plus OC is going to greater than this 5 centimeter. We'll give here equation 1, equation 2, and in third triangle also we'll take OA plus this OC is greater than this 7 centimeter. This is equation 3. So we'll add now equation 1, 2 and 3. Add 1, 2 and 3. After adding these equations, we get 2 times OA plus 2 times OB plus 2 times OC, which is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 7. Right hand side added, left hand side added. 2 common will take OA plus OB plus OC. From these 3, 2 is common. And now here 16 will get addition. Send this 2 here. Sorry, here it is coming greater, as this is a greater sign, okay? So OA plus OB plus OC is greater than 16 divided by this 2 here. So OA plus OB plus OC is greater than 8 centimeter. And this was we need to prove. Hence, proved.